These are the ostomy supplies that you'll need to put a new bag on. Up here you'll have the heat pack, which you'll use at the end to put over the ostomy bag itself, this part, to melt this and these to the skin, and also this ring to make it a good adhesion. Skin preps. Get at least 2 of the large ones or a couple of the square ones. You need an ostomy ring. The bag itself, make sure to close the bag. 3 barrier strips, also called half moons. A Sharpie. The stoma guide to measure the size of the ostomy. Scissors to cut the bag. And then, depending on the site, ostomy powder or ostomy paste if there's any type of irritation. So what you'll do is, after the area is scrubbed thoroughly, as discussed previously, you'll dry the area and then prep it thoroughly all around the ostomy hole itself, and then you're going to go wide as that. So you want the sticky barrier film all over it. Now, if there is some red irritation or skin irritation, after you put the first layer of adhesive down, what you'll do is put a little bit of the stoma powder down over the redness, massage it in, wait a second, and then put more barrier cream on top of the powder. Sometimes you can also use adhesive paste around it. Now, before you put the barrier cream or the barrier stingy, the first step you do is you want to put this ring underneath your armpit so it gets warm and you can make it malleable, because you're going to have to stretch it out from a hole this size to a hole this size. After the skin is clean and there's no bag on, you want to measure the hole of the ostomy like this, and then what you're going to do is transpose this hole here, trace it with a Sharpie, and then cut that out with these scissors. So once the bag is prepped, the hole is prepped, then you can use the skin prep all around, and the powder if there's any irritation, or the paste. So the adhesive's down, your bag's ready, the ring is still under your arm. Now you're ready to install place the new bag. So what you're going to do is take this out of the package, which is nice and warm under your arm. Make it wide so it just fits tight around the protrusion of the stoma. Put that intact. Next step is you're going to take this film off, and over top that ring, you're going to place that and press down. And hold your hand there for a couple seconds. Then you're going to break this open, and then you could actually break this open, put it on top of this bag, while you put these 3 around this edge. Around that edge here. 3 of those which will go in a circle around this edge. So basically like this, and like that. Now, after you bust open this heating pack, the heating pack will stay on here. It'll stay here until the heating pack is ice cold. So it'll heat up, it'll stay hot, it'll melt all this into place, and then when it becomes cold, it can be thrown away.